Hello everyone! Although I tend to use Figma the most, in this current contract I'm working on, I went back to XD, as that's their preferred design tool. I've always been a fan of the simplicity of XD, and so a few days ago they have released their latest update for May 2021. And I must say, although they still have a fair bit to catch up to Figma, some of these features are actually really useful. So let's take a look at them. There was already a workaround to this feature, but now they have made it more intuitive. This is particularly useful to quickly show stakeholders a specific wireframe that you haven't prototyped yet, to basically keep them in the loop. In order to access this feature, let's just pretend that I'm doing like some random design here. And then the most important is to actually click here on the dashboard title. This icon will pop up, which is a little bit different from before, and all I need to do is just to click on it, and we are going to start seeing on the right hand side a little loading, which will basically generate a brand new link. I can click in here and obviously in here. So if I need to use the CSS, need to provide the CSS to the developers, it's here. So update link then, and that's pretty much it. Again, there was already an approach to co-editing in XD, but now they've done it in a completely Figma style, where other designers will have the possibility to create something new in real time while you are designing in the same project file. The only thing missing now is the bubble comments a la Figma. This one is an improvement on some already existing features. Now you have more support on language settings, sharing tools, and in-app tips. For UX designers, they work with project management tools such as Workfront, Asana, or Monday.com. Now they can install it as an XD plugin and use it directly within the environment without the need to leave XD. To be honest, I am not sure how they will integrate, as I'm not working with any of these tools right now, but the option is there. There are also good news for Mac users. XD has finally released a beta version for the designers that are currently using the Apple Silicon M1 processors. They are promising faster loading times, smoother navigation, and quick renderings as well. If you are one of those, the time has definitely come for you, so you can download the beta version online. And last but not least, by far my favorite update of this version, which is the possibility to tweak or even create new elements from the original default state. Previously, there was only the option to create a new state when hovering, but now you can click on an element and you will be able to make it behave differently without the need to come up with a new wireframe to do this animation. This is huge to simplify the prototyping process, especially when dealing with a lot of data that behaves differently. This feature reduces considerably the amount of dashboards we have to use to create animations for buttons, input fields, forms, etc. And obviously, needless to say, that it will save you a lot of time. So here are all of the new XD updates for May 2021. I hope this was useful. As usual, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya!